Welcome everybody, it's another video. It's your boy Crypto Weapon showcasing Quopi AI and how this project has actually been doing for myself. Now remember guys, Crypto Weapon is the one-stop channel for all your crypto information on your favorite crypto platforms in the DeFi space. Now this project has been performing for the last 4 to 5 months, producing 1.5 to 5% every weekday. I myself have been in the project for over a month now, having started on the 11th of June, and it's now the 28th of July, so that's 6 weeks, and I've been getting paid 5 days a week, every week. Now guys, in this platform, as it is in the description, I am done. I'm absolutely done with this platform. It's finally over, and I say that not in the nicest possible way, as my 30-day period with this platform has now come to an end, and it leaves me with a decision to make. Obviously, the platform has afforded me my profits of 9 USDT today, but with that profits, as you can see, there's my $500 deposit as well. So that's obviously available for me to withdraw, and this is what happens when you've completed your 30-day cycle with Quopi AI. They automatically provide you with your initial deposit as an opportunity for you to withdraw. Now, if I go across to the manage funds and I go across to withdraw, just to make sure to see if those funds are available for me to withdraw, because remember, this is my first time completing a cycle with Quopi AI. I do not know if the withdrawal will actually work. Some have said it's worked for them, but will it work for me? I have to test it out. And guys, I'm at a crossroads where inside Quopi AI, I need to make a decision on whether I'm going to continue with the platform or whether I am going to take my money and run. Now guys, I can tell you right now, after I've gotten over the devastation of being done in this platform and completing the cycle and not earning anything today, I can confirm to you my plan is to, of course, withdraw this 500, make sure the withdrawal works, and within 1 day or instantly, I'll redeposit my funds into Quopi AI. Now, I'm not the only one who likes Quopi AI. I can assure you. Come to there. See, we've got quite a few people who've joined Quopi AI not too long after I joined. So these folks will also be completing their cycle with Quopi AI, which is very good news. They've stuck it out and Quopi AI has delivered. Now, I must say this is one of the most powerful projects that are in the space at the moment. It has delivered for over 4 months for multiple people. It is the flagship project in the trading space, and as you've probably noticed, a lot of the projects that have followed Quopi AI have mirrored the Quopi AI strategy payment plan. Some of course are instant. Quopi AI pays out in about 10 minutes of you withdrawing. Now you'll find that a lot of trading bots and platforms are paying on weekdays and not paying on weekends, like is Quopi, and they are the ones that tend to survive the longest and have proved to stand the test of time. And again guys, let me return to my withdrawal and actually do that and just make sure that this actually functions well. Now I'm going to go across to the amount. I'm going to type in the amount of the available balance. I am then going to come down and pop in my 2FA. Right, okay, so guys, that withdrawal has been processed. As you can see, it is pending. It will take no longer than 10 minutes for that to hit my account entirely. And then, of course, I will then redeposit. Now, another reason for me to withdraw and then redeposit is because if I reinvest, guys, my upline will not receive any referral commissions from my reinvestment. The only way my upline actually receives any referral commissions is by me withdrawing from the platform and then depositing my funds back into the platform. So obviously that's going to be a thank you to my upline, who obviously introduced me to this platform and has been consistent for me in this platform. Now guys, all these videos that I'm making are courtesy of Crypto Weapon channel, and this is it here. This is where we're looking to showcase all the crypto projects that are in the DeFi space that are unique to myself and unique to me wanting to join them. So this is a list of all the projects I have. Guys, we are thankful for your support of the channel, and we're currently at 174 subscribers, prodding along very nicely and getting to 200. So if you could like and subscribe in support of the channel, that would be much appreciated. Right guys, allow me to show you the consistent withdrawals that I've been able to make in this platform. And so these go way back to the 11th of June. So I am very happy with that consistency. All right, guys, so this was just a short video showing you where I'm at with Quopi AI and how I've gotten over the devastation of the end of the platform producing daily returns for myself. I'm gonna, like I've confirmed to you before, do a withdrawal and then get back into the platform tomorrow. On that note, guys, please do again like and subscribe. This is not financial advice. This platform has been good for me. I've taken my time, I've analyzed it, and I hope you guys can also go away and do the same before you enter any platform in the DeFi space. Remember to put your 2FAs on as soon as you get involved in a platform. It's because of the nature of the DeFi space. Anything can happen and it's not regulated. And on that note, guys, I am going to leave you.